Hi, my name is Tomok, and I got challenged myself running until I do middle split perfectly. Yeah. So today is my first day. Yeah. So today is day 1. So, and I don't know when I do a perfect middle split. So let's find out. Yeah. Today I ran about 2 kilometers. It was very tough to me. Yeah. Then I go to back my home and do some basic stretch, and also I drink 2 cup of water because I think it helps me to stretching better. Finally, this is my results of a day of today. It's not a good, but I will get a better. Yep. That's it. Okay. See you tomorrow. The next video.